are wondering how far and also how high these E99 and E99 Pro drones can actually fly. So I do not have good news for you. Actually, today I lost my drone. So the distance at which basically this like controller gives up is very short. And for example, today literally it was only like 10 meters above ground when the drone simply lost contact with the remote, and basically the drone took off in air very rapidly and went to one side. So it quickly flew away from me, and there was pretty much nothing I could do. And again, this was only like 10 or 15 meters away from me. So in height, that was only like 5 meters. So when it comes to like how high it can fly, so today it actually flew like literally like 100 meters in air. So it simply took off at a very high speed and simply climbed like incredibly high. So maybe that is the maximum you can climb. But again, you won't be able to control these drones when they actually get high or like very far from you. So in reality, like 20 meters is what you can expect to get the drone to actually work okay. So this wasn't actually the first time that this drone actually did that to me, but I was able to retrieve still the drone the previous times, as it simply crashed somewhere. So again, if you simply get out of the range, they simply often crash and basically land somewhere, so you can retrieve them. But today it simply probably flew back to the China. So again, be very careful with drones and do not fly them very high. They are obviously capable of flying very high, but again, either with a remote or the phone connection, Wi-Fi connection, they do not have good reception at all, and then simply lose contact. And yeah, you can easily lose your drone, just like I did today. And I'm actually not purchasing another one of these, as the build quality and the camera quality is absolute garbage away anyway on them. Anyway, good luck.